The last year of my life changed almost everything. Not all at once, but close enough that it felt that way. Career, relationships, direction. This video is me finally slowing down enough to talk about it. Today is my first morning filming in my new place. I've been here a few weeks now, and I'm still getting used to it. The last year changed my life in ways I didn't really see coming. It didn't happen all at once, but it feels like it caught up to me all at once. I've been running on momentum for a long time. This is the first stretch of time that I'm not quite sure what I'm running towards. Standing here, I'm feeling extremely grateful. I don't feel behind. I just feel in between. I'm still figuring out my rhythm here. Most mornings look pretty simple. Slow mornings, gym, eggs, simple. Some days feel heavy. This one doesn't. I'm learning what my days look like when they're just mine. It feels good to move through them without rushing. Am I feeling the pink quiz today? No. What about the orange? Yep. This is one of the reasons I wanted to be back downtown. I love living somewhere I can walk through my day. Where movement is built in, not something I have to plan. Being in the heart of downtown changes how I feel, and being away from it does too. This is one of the ways I take care of myself. As I've gotten older, I don't skip this stuff anymore. I make time for it. always feel a quiet sense of calm after this. Like I did something good for myself and my body. I didn't talk myself out of it. There's a kind of calm that comes from following through. It's December, and somehow Austin still looks like fall. Being out here reminds me why I wanted to live this way again. Being in the mix of things, able to walk everywhere, being a part of the day instead of rushing past it. Now, what I'm doing today is finally putting out my Christmas tree. It's like December 10th. I just haven't had time to do it. So we're going to be moving these boxes and finally putting up the Christmas tree in this corner. So, here we go. Moving from a 2-bedroom to a 1-bedroom, there's been lots of consolidating. I'm still unpacking in layers. Some boxes are easy. Some things take a little more time to decide where they belong. Me looking very overwhelmed. Pretty much done. Woohoo! Does anybody else have Christmas tree box that's just been taped up a million times? Yeah, me too. This is my first Christmas in this place. I didn't know what this part of the year would look like. This year asked a lot from me. More than I expected, and more than I planned for. I started a business. I was no longer in my career that had been a big part of my identity. I got engaged, and then we realized it wasn't the right path forward. Luckily, I still consider him one of my best friends and confidants. Around that same time, my mom was in the hospital for several weeks, and I completely lost all the momentum I had built. Everything just went quiet. I didn't picture this part going exactly like this, but I also didn't picture most of this year. A lot of things that used to define my life aren't there anymore. and I'm still figuring out what replaces them. My family name comes from Czechoslovakia. It means pheasant. So these always end up front and center. And of course, Texas, for my Texas roots. This one's from last year, London. Some days, all of this feels exciting. Other days, it feels scary and overwhelming. When I think about next year, I feel open to what's ahead. And I know I'm ready for more.